All right, so I'm going to show you this one Claude prompt that actually helps me plan my YouTube titles and videos based on real data of what's going on with my actual YouTube channels and actually start making money. So you can see right over here, last 30 days, over $10,000 with affiliate commissions. Had a little bit of a lull here, right here, not making too much money right there, but you can see we had almost $1,000 day right there, $500 day, $500 day, almost $600 a day right there, $400 a day, $250, and then yesterday was almost a $500 day, and then we've already made $200 today. So this does absolutely work. We're going to go and jump into this right now. Okay, so we're in one of my channels right over here, the David Mills channel. That's this current channel right over here. Now, if I go to analytics, we actually started publishing some pretty good content the last month or two on the channel, and you can see that everything is up right over here. The watch time hours up, the subscribers are up, the estimated earnings. You can see we had some breakout videos with over 2,000 views right there. So I'm gonna go over here to the content section, and you can actually see some of these videos that are getting 400 views and then 2,000 views, almost 800 views right there. And you can see right there. So how do I go about finding what is going to work and finally arrive at some of these titles over here that are more AI affiliate marketing related? Because when I was coming way down here, when I was just talking about like affiliate marketing, I was just kind of stuck, right? I couldn't really get more than 200 views on a video. And so there could be a lot of different things going on in the market, but as we know, AI combined, so it's kind of like called niche bending. So you want to blend two different niches together. So you have AI is huge right now and trending, obviously. And then you have marketing's been around a really long time. So that's not really a new trending thing. And maybe that's why I'm not getting very many views on just the affiliate marketing tutorials when I just say, hey, here's how to make money with affiliate marketing. But when you combine the two, right, how to make money with affiliate marketing and AI, suddenly you can capture another audience and interest, right? So we come over here and the first step right over here, right? So the first step is we want to go and grab this prompt right here. Analyze my last 20 videos and performance. Tell me 5 video titles for my next videos that would most likely perform well. Now you could use in the second step, you could use this in the Vidiq MCP with Claude. I'm going to show you how to use that in a minute, but I would rather use the source, right? So I copy this step 1, YouTube Studio AI. You're going to go in here, you're going to click on this button up over here, and you can see that I already did this morning and came up with another really good content plan. And believe it or not, the video you're watching right now is actually from one of these ideas that we came up with, okay? So I'm gonna show you the whole process right here, but I've already pre-done it so we don't have to wait for Claude MCP because it will take like 10 minutes to perform the tasks. I've already done that ahead of time. I'm gonna show you what happens and the steps though. So you take that prompt right here, okay, copy that, come over here into your YouTube Studio AI and paste that in right here. Because guess what? This studio right here, it's basically ChatGPT on steroids for YouTube. It's their own AI and you can chat with it and ask it any questions about your YouTube channel and it has full connection with your YouTube analytics. So it knows exactly what the numbers are, how many views, what the retention is, how many subscribers you got, how much money you made in AdSense revenue, all that stuff, right? So it knows way more and it's way faster than using like the Vidiq, even though Vidiq is intelligent as well. It's not going to be quite as fast or quite as good for this particular question, right? So we're going to use Vidiq where its strengths are, which is keyword research and trends, right? And we're going to combine the two, okay? So stick with me. So you're going to paste that in. It's going to say, okay, so it analyzes the performance of your last 20 videos on David Mills' channel. It's clear your audience is highly responsive to practical tutorials, the specific income case studies, and the intersection of AI and affiliate marketing. What I just said. They want to see more AI affiliate related, make money online type of video. So high engagement topics, the affiliate marketing tutorial right there. I found 10 AI tools that pays you every month. The 2 AI tools that turns 370 views into 500. So that one is really good because it's AI. I should have maybe some type of money, but we did have the big number right there and AI tools in there as well. So then it says, hey, this matches your style. Here's the most engaging right there. So now what you do is you want to copy all of this information. So all this information right here, you're going to go ahead and copy it, right? So I'm going to go boom right there. And I'm just going to go breakdown. So you would copy this and maybe go into your notepad over here and maybe go like this, boom, boom, and paste in here, okay? So now you have all this information right here, and you can do this like once a week, once a month, however you're posting, right? Then now you're gonna go in and you're gonna copy this particular prompt, use the Vidiq MCP. Here is a conversation I had with YouTube Studio AI, so we're explaining and training to Claude AI what we're doing. This is information I've taken from YouTube Studio AI and my David Mills channel. Now take the info below and create 20 video content plan on real search, based on real search keywords. Make the titles optimized for clicks and recommended as well. So we kind of want to do both, like both worlds, right? If we can get recommended, suggested, and all that stuff, that's great based on kind of like the, the second part of the title. But really we want to make some keywords here that people are actually looking for and searching, so we can also get some search-based stuff and views as well, right? So we're kind of killing two birds with one stone. So, but also incorporate actual keywords as well, right? So make the titles optimized for clicks and recommended, but also incorporates actual search based right there. So you're going to go up in here and you're going to grab this second prompt right here. And this is for Claude, right? So it's a two-step process, right? So you're going to paste this in right here, and you're going to say a shift return twice. You're going to come back over here and you're going to grab the rest of this information that YouTube provided for us. YouTube Studio provided this for us. Now you're going to paste that in right there. And then you're going to select the model that you want. I used Opus 4.8 and it works great. You can use Opus 5 or Fable 5 if you want. And then you say go. Now, once that's done and processing, now this is the exact prompt and everything I put in right over here. And then now you'll be able to see that it came back with all this information. Let's make this a little bit bigger right here, and we'll go and take a look. We'll go and take a look at the results, but this is the kind of information it does. So the channel name's updated in memory. So I had to update my channel name because at one point it was David Mills AI for like a month, but I digress. So now let me pull the real data from Vidiq. So now we're going to get real search queries and keywords. And now we have AI affiliate marketing. That one's really big right there. And it pulls a bunch more. Like, look at all these great keywords and things that are, and then it pulls the competition, and it pulls the, how many views it's getting and so forth. And then what we can do is come down here and it kind of pulls these buckets, AI tools for make money, affiliate marketing. And then it fully understands everything right over here. Done. The channel name is updated. A few things worth calling out. Boom, boom, boom. So it does all this stuff right here. And then it finally provides this really nice report for us right over here. So now we have this report right here. Let's just go into full expansion. So here's your 20 video plan with full data right over here. So every title below is engineered in two ways at once. Search, recommended pull. The real keyword sits at the front of the title, so YouTube indexes it and can serve it in search, suggested, and browse, which is perfect. The click pull, a proven hook from your own top performers. So this is very specific to what has performed well for my videos, right? Everybody's channel is different, but it knows that these trigger words like first thousand, laziest way, no audience, faceless, curiosity gap, case study, things like that do well on my channel. So all the volume, competition, and growth figures are pulled live from Vidiq from the United States, August 2026, right there, okay? Is out of 100, the lower is the, so it'll explain everything to you, and then it'll even tell you to do tier 1 and then tier 4 first. So now we have all these topics. Tier 1, Claude and AI income. Your on-brand sweet spot, ship these firsts, right? So how to make money with Claude AI in 2026, my exact $500 system right there. We have, and this will probably be one of the next videos that I create. One of the other methods that I have as well to create some of my titles as well is actually really, really cool in a secret kind of method, where I have this software over here. It's called ClickSpark AI, and I'm able to put in a topic right over here and push generate, and it will base this based on frameworks, and it'll actually go and create these titles as well. So I think that the one that I'm going to go with today is this one right over here. So hopefully that one will work. If you still see that title, it means it performed well for me. So, but this is this is the better game plan. These videos right here are going to be more thought out videos where I really have to plan for these types of videos right here. But you have some really good videos. How to make money with AI in 2026, 7 tools that actually pay. I tested 10 AI tools that pay you every month, ranked worst to best. The laziest way to make money with AI right there. Boom. And then tier 2, affiliate marketing, your core positioning. So AI affiliate marketing for beginners, full 0 to 1,000 roadmap, faceless affiliate marketing right there. How I use Claude to write videos, just really good stuff right here. And then it comes down here to tier 4. It's saying traffic source videos, right? Low competition, fast rankings. It's predicting that we would perform well in rankings right here. TikTok affiliate marketing in 2026, Pinterest affiliate marketing with AI, how to use Quora for affiliate marketing, tier 5. I built an AI lead generation. So now you take all these steps right over here, right? And you apply this to your niche. So if you're in yoga or keto, or it doesn't matter what you're in, you can apply exactly what I am showing you right here to your Claude and to your YouTube channel, right? So you just do step 1 right there and you do step 2. Now I will actually copy and paste these little simple prompts that I created in the description below so you can go and check that out. Now, if you want to learn how to make your first 1,000 online, you want a free guide, exactly what I do and what I've done to make $700,000 online, the second link below will be to a free guide. You can go sign up for that. The first link will be to my school community if you want to finally take this serious and join a real community. Right now I have it on free trial. You can come join, introduce yourself, watch the flagship course in there, and then when you're ready to upgrade, you can upgrade it. And it's just $27 a month. But come and join for free for a 7-day trial right now. I'm testing that out to see how well the free trial works. I would love to have you as our next member. But yeah, and then right after those 2 links, I'll go ahead and paste this in right now into the description as well. So that is it, guys. Like I make steady income. We can go to monthly income right over here. Since I built this tracker, this is my custom built income tracker right over here. You can see that we are making steady income the entire year. And this is just from affiliate marketing and free YouTube traffic. This is what I do full time. Come learn from me. Come join my school community for free right now. All right. I'll see you in the next video.